cosmic imbalance. I was always disgusted with this notion of I love the world, universal love. I don't like the world. I don't